Okay, friends, just open your settings application from the menu. Okay, open your menu, then find the settings. You can find the settings on recommend apps. Also, you can access from your notification panel, or go to the down bottom of the page. Then you can see the settings. Open it. Then you can see system update, and you can see go down. Then you can see system update. Okay, open it. Now it is running on FunTouch OS 15, and there is an update. Go to three dots, then select upgrade settings. You can see here, and you can see here smart upgrade is turned on. Just turn off that. It will be asked for disabling. Take disable, then turn off automatic download from the Wi-Fi. So you are securely turned off automatic download of your software. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.